The Employees Provident Fund Organization (EPFO) has announced a significant increase in the minimum monthly pension under the Employees Pension Scheme (APS) effective from 2025. The new minimum pension has been raised to 7,000 rupees, a substantial increase from the previous 1,000 rupees that had remained unchanged since 2014. This decision aims to provide better financial security to over 6 million pensioners across India, many of whom rely solely on this pension for their daily expenses. MJPRU 1. In addition to the pension hike, the EPFO has introduced Dearness Allowance (DA) for the first time under the APS. The DA will be linked to the Consumer Price Index (CPI) and revised twice a year, ensuring that pensioners' income keeps pace with inflation. This move aligns the APS with other government-backed pension programs that already provide DA, thereby enhancing the financial stability of retirees. NSRLM 2. This reform addresses long-standing demands from labor unions and pensioners' rights forums who have consistently highlighted the financial struggles faced by India's retired workforce amid rising inflation and increasing healthcare costs. Consistently highlighted the financial struggles faced by India's retired workforce amid rising inflation and increasing healthcare costs. The inclusion of DA and the substantial pension increase are expected to improve the quality of life for retirees, providing them with greater financial independence and better access to healthcare and other essential services. MES Medical College Hospital 3. The EPFO has also announced plans to fast-track applications from individuals seeking pensions based on higher wages, aiming to streamline the administrative process and ensure quicker resolution of such requests. At Economic Times 4. Overall, these changes mark a significant step toward enhancing the retirement security of millions of Indian workers, particularly those from unorganized employment sectors who depend entirely on the APS for their post-retirement financial security. 1. https://mjpru.in/app4 Yojak Chinha Pension Yojak Chinha Hike Yojak Chinha Minimum Yojak Chinha Pension Yojak Chinha RS Yojak Chinha 7000 Yojak Chinha with Yojak Chinhda Yojak Chinha Benefit / Uttam_source equals chattigpt.com EPFO Pension Hike 2025, 7,000 rupees minimum pension with DA announced. 2. https://nsrlm.in/app4 Yojak Chinha Pension Yojak Chinha Hike Yojak Chinha 2025 Uttam_source equals chattigpt.com EPFO Pension Hike 2025, minimum monthly pension raised to 7,000 rupees along with DA benefits NSRLM. 3. https://mesmedicalcollegehospital.com/app4 Yojak Chinha Pension Yojak Chinha Hike Yojak Chinha 2025 Uttam_source equals chattigpt.com EPFO Pension Hike 2025, Government approves 7,000 rupees minimum APS pension with DAMES Medical College. 4. https://economictimes.indiatimes.com/news/economy/policy/app4 Yojak Chinha to Yojak Chinha Fast Yojak Chinha Track Yojak Chinha Applications Yojak Chinha Seeking Yojak Chinha Pension Yojak Chinha On Yojak Chinha High Yojak Chinha Wages/article show/120974158.cms Uttam_source equals chattigpt.com EPFO 2 fast-track applications seeking pension on higher wages.